Have you ever met anyone who enjoys doing manual outreach? Because I haven't. Everyone hates it. And why wouldn't they? It's boring, it's slow, it's inconsistent, it's expensive to automate. I mean, hiring a half decent Pakistani VA nowadays will cost you at least $1,000 per month if you can reasonably expect her to work. It's the kind of activity that checks all the boxes for a business not wanting to do it. Like, who wants to spend 3 to 4 hours of their time scrolling through competitors' pages on IG, trying to salvage whatever leftover lead there is, and having to search through a bunch of Bangladeshi fake followers and Somalian trolls, and occasionally getting distracted by some brain rotting piece of content that just happens to go viral? Who wants to do that? Nobody. The thing is, though, for those of you who've tried it before, you know perfectly well it absolutely works, and you can make a pretty penny doing cold outreach on Instagram. You can at least sign 4 or 5 clients every single month. And why am I saying all this to you? Because there are hundreds of thousands of business owners out there that are perfectly happy to pay you a few $100s per month if you could take care of that part of their business for them. Now, you know where I'm going with this. You're not going to be the one manually looking for leads and typing those messages. Fuck no, bro. You're going to have an AI agent that does that for you. And this is what I want to share with you in this video. Now, while I was giving you that crazy intro, my agent has been running in the background, and in this campaign, it already sent 26 DMs. I got 4 replies, which makes my reply rate 15.4%, which is really good. And then a campaign that I ran a couple weeks ago sent 112 DMs. It got 19 replies, which makes the reply rate even better, 17%. And I also want to show you my analytics just before we get deeper into this video so you don't think I'm trying to fool anyone. This is an account that I've been running outreach on for about, I want to say, almost 2 months now. I found a total of 4,863 leads, out of which the system DM'd 305. Got 47 replies, which makes the average reply rate 15%. And then I generated a total of $4,500 in revenue. Hands off, guys. I barely did any work with this system. It saved me 43 hours and 33 minutes of work that I would have done manually if this agent wasn't doing it on my behalf. And here's the best part. It is only sending on average 6.8 DMs per day. There are over 200 agency owners that are using this tool right now, and they're either using it inside their own agency to get clients, or they're reselling it as a service to their clients. And I know many of them, they are sending 120 DMs per day per account across multiple accounts, and they are printing. With that said, I want to show you how you can actually use this system inside your own agency to generate leads, book sales calls, and get clients. And then, as the title of the video promises, I want to show you how you can resell this as a recurring service inside your agency. Because when I said earlier that this is really an untapped opportunity, and there are like hundreds of thousands of businesses that are happily willing to pay you a few $100s per month for this, or a flat rate of $100 or $200 per call booked, I wasn't joking. When they hear the offer that I'm going to walk you through in a bit, they will literally salivate. They'll sit there and be like, fuck, I want this. I want this. How do I sign up? So stay tuned for that, guys, and let's dive in. So I was getting ready to do a feature dump on you and walk you through all the great things you can do with this platform. But then this happened, and I had to take a minute and walk you through it because it just proves my point. So as I already told you, while I was filming the intro of this video, I had the agent run in the background doing outreach on my behalf. And I reached out to this guy, Samir, and Samir helps med spas get more clients. So the agent reached out, Samir responded, my agent got back to him, he replied, "How can you help me?" And then this is what my agent said. We basically run outbound DM outreach on Instagram for you, reaching out to your ideal prospects every day, starting conversations, qualifying them, and booking sales calls directly into your calendar. I put together a short 2-minute video that breaks it all down way better than I can in a DM, worth a quick watch. And then this guy, of course, said, "Yes, you can." So this just proves my point, guys, that this stuff actually works. There are thousands of people out there like Samir, maybe I even dare say millions of small business owners that are perfectly prepared to pay you $297 per month or $499 per month if you are going to run their outbound outreach. Now, of course, the only way you're going to be able to run their outbound outreach on Instagram for such a low ticket price is if you're going to use this platform right here, because if you're going to do it manually, it's going to take you so long, it's not even worth it. Let me show you some of the things you can do with this. So first of all, you can connect many different Instagram accounts to it, either your accounts or your clients' accounts. You can even warm them up, and I do recommend you warm them up, especially if you're going to be doing any, consistent outbound outreach through them, because it really helps to keep your account safe. Then if I go here where it says AI agents, I can configure my business context. This is where I give the platform enough information about what we do as a company so it can make better decisions. It can write better icebreakers for my cold DMs and whatnot. This is also where I configure my inbox agent. So I tell my agent how to handle conversations, how to progress chats forward, how to overcome objections, how to answer to certain questions, when to follow up, all those great things. And then the inbox, which you kind of already seen, this is where I manage all my conversations from. This is also where the inbox agent lives. Now, right now I'm running the inbox agent on human in the loop mode, which means I need to press this button every time the agent needs to reply to a lead, because it's not gonna complete the full autonomous Rambo loop, as I call it. I know, crazy, but that's how I call it. Of course, it has like a CRM, it has pipelines, you can like visually track everything, analytics. I'm not even gonna get into that. So the lead finder, guess what that does? It helps you find leads, right? And it has a bunch of different tools that you can use. The best sources to get leads from is the comment scraper. So this is a tool where you kind of give it a link of a post, you tell it how many leads you want to get from that specific post. You can skip leads that it already found. It's even going to give you people's like personal information, their names, their bra sizes, whatever, all those good things you want to know to write a great opener. You can even tell it who is a qualified lead in your mind, right? And then you can, the system is going to go out there and it's going to start searching for these leads or scraping these leads for you. Now, that is a cool feature, but it's nowhere near as cool as the AI lead search. So the AI lead search, guys, is pretty much a place where you tell the platform who is your ideal client, and it goes out there and it gives you an entire list of them. I want you to find me home service businesses in Chicago. I click on next. I just want to do 50 now, so this is fast. And then I'm going to tell it, I want you to mark me as qualified leads that are not national companies, but they're local, small, owner-run businesses. I'm going to start this. Now it's going to pretty much search Instagram, and it's going to find people that check the criteria that I've given it. Okay, so this just finished. Let's click on View Lead List, and let's see what this found for us. So, okay, so profile, let's check this guy. These people are supposed to run local home service businesses, home headaches tamed to a T. Okay, so this is pretty much a fit. Let's see this one, Fix It People. This is also a Chicago-based handyman and home repair service. I mean, guys, come on, man. I feel like a chef right now. Adler Handyman Services. Again, Chicago-based home service business. I can go on and on. It even qualified them for me, so you can see Dan Shirley is the owner of a Chicago handyman service, clearly a local small business. Revolution Home Remodeling is a general contractor based in Chicago, indicating it's a small business. Now, what I can do with these leads is I can add them in a campaign and have the system reach out to them, but these are not my ideal clients, right? What I would want to do instead is maybe find marketing agencies that are selling to home service businesses. And then I'm going to reach out to them, and my pitch to them will be, hey, I can actually help you, book more appointments or get more clients. And then once I close them, then I will run the system reaching out to these home service businesses on their behalf. You see here, this is how I'm going to be doing it. So I want you to find me agencies that sell marketing or other types of online services. Could be SEO, could be website development or anything like that, to local home service businesses. I'm going to run this, guys. It's going to take about 20 minutes to get done. So I'm going to wait a few more minutes again. And then after that, I'm going to set up the campaign. So we start reaching out to these people, pitching them, and that's how the flywheel gets started. Okay, so I have about 100 leads ready to go, and these are exactly the kind of clients that I'm looking for. I had a quick look. This guy, for example, runs an agency called Into the Blue Creative, and they serve home service businesses with marketing services. What I want to do now is I want to add all these people inside a campaign. I can actually filter them before I add them in a campaign. So I'm going to select all these people. So now we have a total of 78 leads that the system is going to reach out to. Now, this might not sound like a huge number. Of course, I could have kept scraping until my list was of a reasonable size. But to me, it's not about, sending huge volumes and mass DMing and spamming people. It's about reaching the right people with the right message. Here, I can configure the outreach workflow and exactly how it's going to work. What I found is that when you follow a person before you DM them, it tends to bump up your response rates. And then as far as the first DM goes, this is where this gets super powerful. Of course, I can use some like template and, type some message that I want the system to send out, but that is lame. Who wants to do that? I want to use the AI personalized feature. I can have the system break the ice with something about them. This is kind of a friendly message, no selling. This is a business preset that asks a smart question about their business and kind of hints at our offer, but it doesn't really pitch them. And this is kind of a short, clear pitch with a soft call to action. This is like, boom, this is what we do. Are you interested? I also want to generate some examples so you can see how it looks like. And I can, of course, create like a custom prompt and tell the system exactly how I want that first message to look like. This is based on the context I gave it. So if you're using Instaworm to sell your own service or your own offer, of course, it's going to be based on that information. But if you're using Instaworm to sell these AI outreach services that I'm kind of asking you to do here, this is kind of how the direct pitch is going to look like. This one is also really good. I help digital agencies add 8 to 12 qualified sales calls a month by running their cold DM outreach on IG, completely hands off, no ads, no VAs, no extra work on your end. Is that something Everyday Digital is actively looking to scale right now? Here I'm going to add how much a lead is worth to me. So I'm going to be selling this for $2.99 a month. My account, I would say, is pretty warm at this point, but I'll keep this at 40. Also want to message these people Saturday and Sunday. Launch campaign. Launch anyway. Here we have it. Now this campaign is launched. It's running, and it's going to start DMing all these people with a safe cadence. So this is an extremely safe tool, by the way. You'll never compromise your Instagram account or put it at any risk whatsoever. Now I want to get into the actual process on how you can resell this. I'll keep this super high level. This is a very simple process, and this is why it works so well. So the first step is, of course, to get leads and then establish or make the first contact, like send the first DM. And you want to do this through Instaworm. And the reason is because you build social proof. What do I mean by that? Well, you are essentially practicing what you're preaching. You're reaching out to the person, telling them that you want to run their outbound, but you're running the same system for yourself. So if a lead is interested and if they want to take the next step, then it immediately self-validates the entire loop, and it kind of automatically builds trust. When you get on a sales call, you can always say to someone who's having doubts, hey, how did you end up here? Once you reach out to them, then it's the DM conversation. You want to keep that short. Find the prospect's pain point. Maybe right now they're only doing content and their content reach is limited. Maybe they're running ads and their budget is limited. Like, get them to tell you that essentially they need more clients and more calls. once they tell you that, send them a 2-minute Loom video. This is a 30-minute sales call, really, but you're not going to frame it as a sales call. You can call it a strategy call. You can call it a lead gen call, whatever. Just don't say it's a sales call, for God's sake. And then resurface their pain point. Okay, so John, you told me that X, Y, Z, and that is the reason you're here. Tell me about that. So get them in that mood, in that state of mind where they're thinking about, shit, I need to get more clients. And then find what their goals are. How many clients would you want to be getting? How much revenue is that for your business? Then once you create that gap between where they're at right now and where they want to go, you want to answer any questions that they might have. So John, before we move forward with this, do you have any questions? They already know the price. If they make it on the call, guys, they should be a close almost 100% of the time, because they're there, they know the price, they have the pain point. Like, if you're not closing these calls, what the fuck are you doing? So close them. And then the way I like to price this system is small, low ticket monthly retainer, $299 or up to $499 per month. Or you can also do $100 to $200 per qualified call that you book for them that shows up. Again, this is like high level overview of this process. I was actually putting together this document, and I was planning to give you kind of a much more in-depth understanding of why this works and how it works, but I'm probably going to make a separate video for this. If you want me to do that, let me know in the comments. But now, one important thing is, don't go high ticket with this. Don't try selling this for like $5,000 per month, guys. These are small businesses. Like this guy here, he can probably afford to pay $299 a month or $399 a month or $100 per call book. But the moment you pitch him like $5,000, you lost him. Like, why would you try to sell high ticket to small businesses? It doesn't make any sense. Anyway, you can see my system started reaching out to people. Let me know your thoughts about this business model in the comments and also the questions. And again, go ahead and start your free trial. There are going to be links below.